Heidi ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Kind of going for the pirate look today. Sort of, not really a scary pirate though. Well, maybe just kind of scary. Anyway, I've got a redneck fix today, or redneck repair, whatever I call this series, and it has to do with fixing a handle on a bucket. What I have here is a plastic bucket I'm about to use as a like a plant container. But the plastic handle on it has cracked. Actually, you can see it right there. And this is a food grade bucket I got from a bakery, Walmart bakery. That's a subject for another video. But all the little food grade buckets that I've gotten from there, their plastic handles eventually crack and break off. And I just found a simple way to do a redneck repair on them, and without, well, I guess I had to spend some money to get the material I'm using, but it's I think it's pretty handy. So here I'll show you what I do. Okay, get some rope of some kind, and it has to be a smaller diameter than the hole that's where this handle goes in. Measure it out. So you got basically the same length, and then add about 6 inches and then cut it. Okay, now you need to take the existing handle off. Best just go ahead and finish breaking it. Now obviously, if you're doing this, you handle maybe a little bit different, but just do whatever needs to be done. This one's just got a couple of things that squeeze together and then it pops out. Yeah, okay. Now take the rope that you cut and go ahead and tie an overhand knot in one end. An overhand knot, that's just, one of these. And you see my smelly dog's trying to help out, and she's doing the typical good job of helping out by basically just being in the way. So now take one now go on the unknotted end, and hopefully it will get it through without messing it up too bad, which actually I don't, which is not what I'm doing. This is great. This hasn't been really, dog. There we go. Oh, here we are back again. I didn't want to melt the end together because I was going to tie it, but now it's all twanked. So I'm not sure. Should have done this in the first place. Well, I'm just going to cut it off, and this is just going to be a little bit shorter. Actually, this is not the right thing to cut it with, I don't think, but okay. After that, I had to go ahead. It was all messed up. I had to cut it. I didn't want to melt the ends together because I'm going to end up tying it anyway. So if you're going to do that, you need something like this. Hopefully. probably saying, why don't you just feed it through the other way? Well, because I don't want to. And this is not working either. Okay, I have some finer those pliers, and you've all, I'm sure, come to the same conclusion I have, that it would have been a heck of a lot easier to just melted. It would have been a heck of a lot easier to just melted the ends together the way you do plastic rope, because this is not really working either. You may shortly see me melting the ends of the rope together, even though I'm not sure why this is not actually pinching, because it's got no okay. You ever have one of those lives where everything just seems to, you got to do things 10 times for whatever reason. There we go. Yeah. Well, it's still a bit messy. You smash it together and kind of make it into a point there. That'll be good enough. I mean, I think it'll be good enough. Then again, I thought that was going to work the first time around too. Wow. See? Simple. No problem at all. There. Just feed that through. Go ahead and tie another overhand knot. Just get it tight enough that it won't slip off. Get it under there. Yeah, it is kind of twisty, but I guess, yeah, see if I can push this back down. Here, go ahead and get the twist out of it first. Actually, maybe impossible to get the twist out of it. There. Well, leave it in the sun or something, it'll get warm and kind of unbend more than likely. But it doesn't matter. There you go. Bucket, new handle. Is it worth it? I don't know. But I do like these buckets, and well, didn't cost hardly nothing. So, do what you can with what you have where you are. God bless y'all. See you next time.